So, every front-end developer knows this struggle, right? Your project is finally done, it looks amazing on your machine, but where does it actually live? Well, today we are solving that exact problem. We're going to break down 3 of the absolute best platforms that'll take your project from your laptop to the entire world, and the best part? It's completely free.
You totally know this feeling. You've poured hours, maybe even weeks, into building that slick portfolio or that cool side project. You've obsessed over every line of CSS, you've perfected the JavaScript, and now what? It's just sitting there. Getting it out into the world for people to actually see feels like this giant final hurdle.
Well, I've got some amazing news for you. That final hurdle? It doesn't have to cost you a single dime. Seriously, the solutions we're about to look at are genuinely free. No credit card needed, no hidden fees, just your awesome project live on the web for everyone to see.
So that's the mission for today. We're going to bridge that gap between your finished code and a live, public URL that you can share with anyone. We're going to explore 3 fantastic options to get you online fast and easy. Let's kick things off.
First up in our showdown is Vercel. Now, if you're all about speed, performance, and working with the latest and greatest front-end frameworks, you're definitely going to want to lean in for this one.
And this quote right here, it really nails Vercel's whole philosophy. It is built from the ground up for the modern web. We're talking React, Next.js, Vue, Svelte, you name it. If it's a popular framework, Vercel is basically optimized to make it fly. Their whole game is about top-tier performance and making the developer's life as easy as possible.
Vercel makes deploying your project almost laughably simple. You can literally just drag your project's build folder right onto their dashboard, or even better, connect it to your GitHub account. Once you do that, every single time you push a change with Git, Vercel automatically deploys it for you. We're talking live in seconds. It's absolutely perfect for personal projects, portfolios, and small apps, and their free tier is super generous.
All right, next up we have Netlify. A lot of people call this one the OG of free, simple hosting. If Vercel is the super fast newcomer, think of Netlify as the powerful, established, and incredibly flexible choice that gives you a few more tools in your toolbox.
And this really says it all, doesn't it? Netlify basically pioneered this whole drag, drop, deploy model that made hosting a website so incredibly accessible to everyone. It's designed to work right out of the box with 0 configuration. For real, it just works. There's a reason they have such a huge, loyal following.
See, Netlify isn't just hosting, it's a whole platform. Need a contact form on your site? It's built right in. Want to run a little bit of back-end code without setting up a whole server? They've got you covered with serverless functions. This makes them a powerhouse for static sites built with the Jamstack architecture. Plus, they offer a free custom domain name, and just like Vercel, they have that awesome Deploy from Git feature for automatic updates.
And for our third and final platform, we've got one that might be hiding in plain sight. I'm talking about GitHub Pages. This isn't some separate service you have to go sign up for. It's a feature that's baked right into the place where your code probably already lives.
Calling it a secret weapon is just perfect. For so many of us, GitHub is a tool we use every single day. So the ability to host a website directly from your repository with just a couple of clicks, that is insanely powerful and convenient.
The process here could not be any easier. You just go into your repository settings, you find the Pages section, you pick which branch you want to deploy from, and that's it. Boom! Your site is live at a URL like yourusername.github.io. It's unbelievably reliable, and it's fantastic for things like project documentation, a simple blog, or that big school project. And the best part? No new accounts to create, no extra tools to learn. It's pure, simple integration. Okay, so we've looked at 3 incredible and totally free options. Vercel for pure speed, Netlify for its powerful features, and GitHub Pages for its beautiful simplicity. So now for the million-dollar question. How do you possibly decide which one is right for your project? All right, this is it. The moment of truth. Let's break this down into a super simple cheat sheet so you can make the perfect choice without any of the guesswork.
Okay, here's the ultimate breakdown. Just think about your main priority. If you're using a modern framework like Next.js and your #1 goal is just raw, blistering speed, go with Vercel. If you think you might need more power down the line, like forms or serverless functions, and you want that all-in-one flexibility, Netlify is your answer. But if you just want to get a site online with the absolute minimum amount of fuss from a tool you're already using every day, GitHub Pages is the no-brainer.
But you know what? Honestly, the best advice anyone can give you is this. Since there is absolutely 0 cost involved, there's no risk. Just take a small project and deploy it to all 3 of them. See which workflow feels the best to you. See which dashboard you like more. You literally have nothing to lose by experimenting.
Look, you have already done the hardest part. You built the thing. Don't let hosting be this scary final boss you can't beat. With these tools, you can take that project that you are so proud of and share it with potential employers, your friends, and literally the entire world. And you can do it in just a few minutes. So that really only leaves one question. With all of these powerful free tools right at your fingertips, what amazing project are you going to launch first?